Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the code blocks error. No such directory found, no such file or directory. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. So why this error occurs? Most of the time, this error occurs. We have linked a library or file to our compiler settings, or by default, when we install code blocks, some files or libraries are linked. So first, we have to check programs code blocks min.w will this path exist or not. Or the easiest way is go to settings, compiler, and from here you need to select linker setting. So we have here to set our path. When I install code blocks, this shows default. So we have to delete this one. Click on delete. Now click OK. Now try to rebuild again. So you can see our project is successfully run. You have to basically set the path. If you add any uh, the library path, you have to delete and set it correctly. Most of the time this error occurs in path we have program files, and in actual we have program 86 and then code blocks and then min gw. So good luck guys. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel and like the video.